drawl of your yawl and the way you talk slow.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like the songs that you